Welcome to OptiSigns. This video will quickly show you the basics of using our OptiSigns platform. Log in to your OptiSigns account on a computer or by using our OptiSigns admin app. If you haven't created an account, then do so by clicking Create Account on the login page. Once logged in, navigate to the Screens tab if you are not already. Select Add Screen. Enter the pairing code showing on your physical screen. If you do not see a pairing code on your display, then go to our Downloads page, locate your screen's platform, and follow the how-to guide provided. We do recommend using our OptiSigns players. They are made specifically to use OptiSigns for your digital signage needs. You simply plug it into your screen with the provided HDMI. Anyway, enter the pairing code and your display is now connected to your account. Name it, then push content by clicking on your desired content type and selecting your media. We'll learn more about content types, uploading assets, or creating your own content shortly. In this window, you can edit and view details about your screen. More settings can be found under the Operational Schedule and Advanced dropdowns. Let's go ahead and upload or create our own content. Do this by going to the Files and Assets tab. This page is like a computer's cloud folder, a place for you to organize and manage all of your individual pieces of content. There are 4 different ways to add content. Upload Files lets you import content directly from your computer or other storage drives. Templates provides over 5,000 designs for you to pick from and edit however you'd like. You can also create your own design from a blank canvas by clicking on New Design. I'll select a template to announce our new business hours. This entire template is customizable. You can also add saved content from your account, pick from free stock images, and use widgets like date and time. I can even create my own QR code. I like how it looks, so I will save it. You can also make content by using any of our apps. Here, you can pick from over 100 apps, such as weather, social media, Canva, news, Microsoft and Google Suites, RSS feeds, and many, many more. If you feel overwhelmed, then no worries. Click on an app, then select Help to open a step-by-step article for that specific app. Here are a few examples of some of our most popular apps: news feeds, Instagram, weather, Google Calendar, YouTube, Power BI, and so much more. One of the most popular apps is the split screen. This allows you to place separate content in different areas of your display. You can select a pre-built layout or start from scratch by selecting Custom. I'll start with a template. I can customize the size of each zone and even add or delete zones. I'll select content for each zone and then preview. Looks great. I'll name it and save it as a new asset. Last but not least, feeds. These are pre-built slideshows and videos that are up to date and filled with engaging content. Explore over 100 feeds and pick out some interesting content to include in your asset library. I'll pick one of the sports feeds. Name it, save it, and now it is in our library. All right, let's add our assets to a playlist. Playlists allow you to create a series of content to play one after another in a continuous loop. Let's create a new one. Any of our files and assets can be added. You can edit the duration of each piece of media here. There are plenty of more control options in the playlist settings and in each item settings as well. Any changes I make will save automatically. Now, let's create a schedule to have different content show at specific times. Select Create Schedule. Click and drag when you want your content to show. Select your asset or playlist. I'll have this content play every day except for Saturdays and Sundays. I can add content as far out in the future as I'd like. I'm going to replace my repeating content for July 3rd only. But what about when I don't have content scheduled? No worries, I'm going to set my default content by clicking on the gears icon. Any changes I make will save automatically. Aside from using the schedule, there are other ways to dictate times and dates that specific content shows on screen. For instance, I can set live expire dates on files and assets. If this content is in a playlist or schedule, then it will only show within the live expire dates that I set. I can also set specific item schedules within a playlist. Let's say this playlist runs 24/7, but I only want this certain asset to show in the morning. No problem. Now, let's send some content to our screen. There are better ways than clicking on each screen and individually assigning content. You can bulk select screens and assign content. Another route is by going directly to an asset, a playlist, or a schedule and simply selecting Push to Screens, and then pick what screens to publish to. And that wraps it up. If you have any questions, feel free to use our AI chatbot or contact us directly. Thanks for watching.